Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, guys. How's it going? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, and today we have a great video. We are using the LR sniper rifle for you guys, and we are going to put it to the test. I have a build for it. I will put it at the end of the video for you guys, and make sure you guys leave a like, hit the sub button, and leave a comment on what gun you guys want me to use and try out for you guys, man. And this sniper rifle, I just want to say, if you guys center where you guys think the enemy is going to be at, man, you guys will hit every shot. This gun is really quick, and it does only have 4 bullets, but you know, we do what we have. I don't know what the fuck I'm trying to say, but let's get right into the video, guys. And you know my name. It is Kratos Super. We're playing S&D, and we are sniping, brothers. And we are gonna get a quick pick. Watch this. Pick sick, quick pick sick. Oh, he lost. He was about to lose his head. Come on, man. You think it's that easy? I read the room, bro. Get him, teammate. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, man. I don't play these games. I hit my shots. That would have been dumb. Might be in here. There we go. Bro. I don't know why they decided to chow me, bro. I look at my mini map. I see where they're going. I see where they're at. I'm gonna go up here instead. Oh, I knew it. Oh, wow. Executed my teammates. We all took one out. I had my teammates back. He was about to get sniped, but I didn't miss my shot, though. We're gonna 6L these fools, or what? I think we might. Don't ever do that ever again. Holy. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Tomahawk. You got fly up? Oh, I'm gonna get the mini map. Oh my god! These guys are getting pooped on by me. Those shots were clean, if I've ever said so. 7-0 right now. They are backing out. Man, making the team back out is not fun. Oh, brother, you must hit your shots against me. I'm telling you guys, if you want this build, let me know. I'll put it down. I'll take that one. I'll take it, man. I couldn't hit every other shot I hit, but I'm telling you, the easiest shots I can hit. Nah, we just could never hit that shit. Oh, I died. Oh. I was what, 10-0? 11-0 right there? Landed right on his head. And that is a win. Let's go. I'm gonna play another map with a sniper. Let's see how it goes.
A few moments later.
Yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video, and if you guys are, make sure you guys leave a like, hit the sub button, and leave a comment on what gun you guys would like to see me use next. I would use any gun you guys want me to use. Try it out, see if I could build something around it for you guys. If not, it's all good, man. I'm gonna keep frying, keep beaming, keep doing my thing.
It's Brittany, bitch. And I'm back.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have joined a search and destroy extraction. Honestly, I don't think I have played this map. I have played this map. I have, actually. I've lied. I've played this map. I just don't know the names of the maps that much because I don't play them often. But, you know, I'm a sniper, so I'm going on top per usual because I'm a sniper. But the first guy I see, I'm for sure I'm going to send it. I'm going to send it the first guy I see, so... yeah. That would have been sick, I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, brother man, you can't let me do that to you. You can't let me do that to brother man. I'll hit my shots. Oh, yeah, brother man, I hit those. Don't play with me. I hit those. Sleep, nigga? The fuck? Well, I got hype me up right there. I got a little dope from that. I'm gonna go wide right here. Checking my top. See, you always gotta check the snipers. There's a guy under. No, I honestly did not know how to. Oh, I did that to myself. I thought that was like an area where I could like go, but no. I ran into a wall directly. User got 3,000. Oof. That dragon went flying. Couldn't use his wings though. Should have gave him a Red Bull. Pretty handy for me this time, watch. Oh my god! Oh my god, brother, what the hell? Oh, that's some bullshit! That guy should not have killed me. Homie shooting at his own teammate. Wait, oh, come on, King. Damn, my teammate got my back like that, huh? That guy's mad. Oh yeah, brother. What do you think I'm gonna do? I call me Thor, man. Throw that axe at you. Yeah, sleep rage and let me get by though. You know, I'm freaking out. Come on, brother, man. Oh, almost did it to him. First few kills, and that's pretty much it. Aw, bro, to your right. What are you doing, teammate? Ah, like I said, none of these guys used their radar. Did they kill him? They have not killed him. That guy's probably so mad. I hard-scoped the shit out of him. Ah, use a gun. No. Oh, it's a 1v1. This guy isn't on. Where is this guy at? Just in a corner. Prone. He's over there somewhere. To your right. Oh, he saw him too. No, you threw that so hard, teammate. You had the dub in your hands. Honestly, apparently I can see your name right there. That would have been sick. Oh, that's when I died. Kill him. That game was pretty sick, guys. I was hitting a couple shots. That's what I'm talking about.
3 weeks later.
Oh, you guys gotta be kidding me, man! I thought I was recording that entire time. That's sad. I hit some nasty shots. I swear I did. Let's see if I can record it. I try to like scream Xbox record right now. Let's see if I could get it. You see my game lagging right there? I forgot I fucking decided to record it. Oh, I had to do it. I had to do it. It was there. It was my opportunity to use Sleeper Agent. That guy's like, oh wait, hold up. If you guys have that, I put that perk on, man. That shit's pretty funny to use sometimes. To myself. Oh, you fucking gave yourself in a position where I can snipe you even better. Oh yeah, anyone here? They gotta leave. I'm about to snipe on. There's only 2 of them left, bro. They all left. That's sad. Oh, that landed right there, though. Oh, I try to play around. It's not good. It's not good. But that game is pretty much over, man. And yeah, I'm you know, just finish this game off, and then we'll see. See you guys at the end of the game.
That's a kick.
And ladies and gentlemen, that would do it for the LR 7.62 sniper rifle, man. And it does hit when you hit your shots. This is the build I am rocking. Hopefully you guys do enjoy it, man. I was hitting nasty shots with it, and I feel like you guys can hit nasty shots with it. Give it a try. And any other gun you guys want me to try or use, man, put it down in the comments and let me know. But you guys, man, know that I be hitting my snipes. The video, you guys seen it, bro. Let me know what other sniper you guys want me to try. I haven't tried the new one. I just unlocked it, and I will give it a go. But yeah. And that will do it for the video, guys. That is the LR 7.62 sniper rifle, and hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. And if you guys did, please let me know down in the comments if you guys tried it out. You guys saw me hitting nasty snipes, then you guys will hit nasty snipes as well. Make sure you guys just move around the map, and you guys will hit every shot center when you guys think they're gonna come out, and just, you know, do your thing. Alright guys, that's been Cradle Super, and that will be the video. Peace.